How to give your introduction in English. Step 1. Greeting, 10 words. Start with a friendly greeting. Example, hello everyone. It's a pleasure to be here with you today. Step 2. Name, 10 words. Introduce your name. Example, my name is Emma Rodriguez, and I'm excited to share. Step 3. Age and location, 20 words. Mention your age and where you're from. Example, I am 30 years old and I come from Miami, Florida. Step 4. Education, 30 words. Talk about your educational background. Example, I graduated from Florida International University with a degree in business administration. Focusing on marketing. This experience deepened my interest in consumer behavior and brand strategy. Step 5. Current role, 30 words. Describe your current job or role. Example, currently, I work as a marketing coordinator at Global Solutions, where I develop marketing campaigns and analyze market trends to help drive business growth. Step 6. Hobbies and interests, 50 words. Share some personal interests or hobbies. Example, in my spare time, I love painting, hiking, and trying out new recipes. Art allows me to express my creativity, while hiking helps me stay active and connect with nature. Cooking is a fun way to explore different cultures through food. Step 7. Fun fact, 20 words. Add a fun fact about yourself. Example, a fun fact about me is that I've traveled to over 15 countries. And I'm always planning my next adventure. Step 8. Conclusion, 20 words. Wrap up with enthusiasm. Example, I'm looking forward to connecting with all of you and learning from your experiences. Thank you for your attention.